Emma, and this week we're doing something completely different than the other videos. Today we are going to do a volcano explosion science. I don't know about you, but I love science projects. They're so fun. So here's what you need for our science today. So you need some baking soda. You can choose any type of colors, and you need some vinegar. Let's get started. So first I'm going to pour all of this baking soda into the little kind of bowl thing. It's kind of volcano shape, you know? It's like a volcano thing. And I'm going to choose this. It's pink. Choose pink. Pink in there. Little pinkish. Make sounds. Okay. Okay, that's enough. That was so funny. Okay. And I forgot to tell you guys. Remember, you have to use food coloring for this project. You know what? Let's add different colors actually. Let's make it even better. Bit color. Oh, blue and blue here. Okay. Now let's add some yellow. I'll leave green. I'll leave green away because, you know, I don't want it to be that crazy. And, you know, I don't really want it to be that bad of a color, you know. Okay. Now it's the moment. Let's start. Ooh, it's like a sunset. More. Let's do more. Let's more. Oh, I used all of it. Whoa. Wow. It sounded like a waterfall. And look at the colors. The colors, water everywhere. Oh, that's so cold. Well, of course, if it came from the fridge, it was cold. So guys, I know this was a short video, but I just wanted to share with you awesome science project that you can do with your family or friends. And let me know in the comment section below if you've done this, what type of project have you done, what color did you put in, how did it turn out, what is happening, and also, I just want to say, wasn't that cool? At first, it was like a sunset. That was so cool. And so I really hope you like this video, guys. Click the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notification whenever we post a new video. And also take the hammer and smash that like button to make our videos grow and grow. See you next time. Bye.